Switch Viper media back in town. The bike is back on the road. She's looking a lot better now. Nearly fell off that thing. Anyhow, mirrors are back on, and the funny thing is I wanted to respray the other ones because they were all so corroded. So now here I have fresh set. As you can see, the mirrors are on, indicators are on, the whole front is fine, indicators on. A new addition to the bike, crash bars, I think, or what they call sliders. I think a bit too late, but yeah, I put them in. So you see the whole fairing is back on. Exhaust, it's a bit still bent, but it's not too bad now. And the other side, same. Fairing is on. Everything beautiful. Like obviously it's not mint as it used to be. And then I installed these finally. Because I was slipping and sliding on this bike like crazy, man. Crazy. So yeah, I'm back on the road now. Bike is at this stage now, and we'll run it like that till summer, I'd say. And maybe in summertime I might clean it up and wrap it, maybe, I don't know. Because some of these, see, like a plastic welded all of that, but the paint is gone, and to match paint all that it'll be next to impossible unless I get a new fairing kit. But we'll see. I kind of feel like wrapping the thing, because I always wanted to wrap a sports bike. I wrapped a car before, but I never wrapped a bike before, and I wanted to try it. But then I had this body kit, so it would be sad to hide all of that. But now that it's cracked and that, I can repair it and just hide it. And then there's another biker coming. Look at him go, look at him go. Well, not anymore. No. Yeah, so we're gonna go for a test drive now. See what's the story, how it drives and everything. Yeah, see you on the road. The bike feels complete again. And the mirrors as well. Oh, there is guards. There is fucking guards. There's fucking guards in town. Is there a protest, I wonder? Go on, David, get in here, nice. The gas stations. I'm sure they all have diesel. What are they saying? All the social media bullshit. Nobody has diesel left. Alright, let's see this last gas station. Because 2 days ago I was there, and there was so many cars filling up. There was literally lines from here, from the roundabout, all the way to the gas station. So we tried to have a look at it. Any pump shut off here or not? Oh, there's the lorries. Are these the guys that are blocking the roads in there? Must be. Well, they're blocking the gas station now. Fair play to the boys. Sure, all the pumps are opened. Sure, it's all fine here. Oh, beautiful. I miss this bike so much. And now we're back on the road. I still didn't hit my 1,000 subscribers, so I'm not gonna do no wheelies until I hit 1,000. I wanna see 1K subscribers, and then I'll try to do a wheel again. The last fall wasn't worth it. But then again, because I damaged the bike, I upgraded the mirrors, upgraded the bar ends, so hopefully they don't get stuck. They look more fucking legit than the other ones, fucking Timo bullshit. So I got a couple of grays and the sliders as well. I wanted to put them before, but I didn't put them because I would have needed to drill holes inside the fairings, which I didn't want because the fairings were so clean. But now the fairings are kind of messed up, so I was like, hell yeah, drill right through them. So I drilled right through them, and now we have beautiful fucking sliders that are just about sticking out. Literally about a millimeter or two, but it covers the engine, which is good. I'm looking, but I'm not even using the mirrors no more. I'm just doing my shoulder checks always. so used to that now. It's crazy. Jum. Yeah, so this is gonna be the last part. Well, no. This is part 3. There's gonna be part 4 when I completely fix these things, but that's gonna be in a couple of months. So for now, that's it. We'll go for a quick ride, and CBR is back on the road. Happy days, journeys to come. Summertime is not too far. The sound of that. I don't know if you can hear it, but jeez. Ain't no sunshine in this sun. I want to find the sea life. How you doing?